Vehicle that broke down. Describe an occasion when the vehicle you took broke down in your travel. You should say where you were going, who was with you, or whether it took long to repair it, what impact this breakdown had. Welcome! In this channel, you're not just here to watch, you're here to participate. Feel free to share your own sample answers in the comments section and exchange ideas with others. Let's learn and grow together. I'd like to share one of the most memorable road trips I've ever undertaken with my friend by public transportation along Chalice Road, which you might have heard about its scenic beauty and its twists and turns as well. Last year, during a tough time, my friend suggested camping at a pristine campsite in the north of Iran. I wasn't terribly keen initially, not only due to my busy schedule, but also because I thought camping might not be my cup of tea. However, his enthusiastic recommendation persuaded me to keep an open mind and give it a try. Therefore, our adventure commenced. We set off early in the morning by bus, which was supposed to be a comfortable 4-hour journey. However, the bus broke down midway, right at one of the most isolated stretches of Chalice Road, surrounded by dense forests and steep cliffs. The nightmare started when the engine gave out and the driver announced that repairs would take a few hours. At first, I was frustrated and thought our whole trip was ruined. However, I did not let it dampen my spirits by focusing on the positive things I had heard about the destination. Moreover, the scenery around us was so incredible that we soon forgot about the inconvenience. The lush green trees, the crisp mountain air, and the calming sound of a nearby river transformed the situation into a unique experience. While waiting, we made the most of the situation, embracing the unexpected. To my surprise, the more we embraced the situation, the more we enjoyed ourselves. Someone even brought out a guitar, and we all sang songs together while sharing snacks and stories. In the end, this trip taught me sometimes the most thrilling adventures are the unplanned ones. If I hadn't experienced this mechanical failure, I might never have discovered the joy of turning challenges into unforgettable memories. Phrases and idiomatic expressions. Memorable road trips, a trip that is unforgettable or leaves a lasting impression, undertaken to begin or engage in an activity, especially a challenging or significant one. Pristine campsite, a campsite that is in its natural, unspoiled condition, not terribly keen, not very enthusiastic or eager about something, not my cup of tea, an expression meaning something is not to one's liking or preference. Keep an open mind, to remain receptive to new ideas or experiences, even if they are unfamiliar or initially unappealing. Commenced, began or started, set off, to begin a journey or trip, supposed to be expected or planned to be a certain way. Broke down, refers to a vehicle malfunctioning and stopping due to mechanical failure. Midway, at a point in the middle of something, especially a journey or process, isolated stretches, parts of a road or area that are remote and far from other places, gave out, stopped working, often because of wear or mechanical failure, dampen my spirits, to make someone feel less happy or less enthusiastic. Made the most of, to take full advantage of an opportunity or make something as enjoyable as possible despite challenges. Embracing the unexpected, accepting and adapting to unforeseen circumstances or changes, the most thrilling adventures, the most exciting or exhilarating experiences, unplanned ones, experiences or events that were not prepared or arranged in advance, mechanical failure, a breakdown or malfunction of a vehicle or machinery due to some internal issue, turn challenges into unforgettable memories, to transform difficult or challenging situations into memorable, positive experiences. Preparing these sample answers takes a lot of time, but your support keeps me going. If you find my content helpful, please subscribe, share it with your friends, and connect with me through these links. I've also added them in the video description. Your encouragement means everything to me.